A customer just paid $89 for a synthetic oil change on their 2018 Honda Civic. Their owner's manual says conventional oil is perfectly fine. After 15 years as a mechanic, I've watched thousands of people throw away money like this. Today, I'm showing you exactly when synthetic oil is a waste and when it actually matters. Let's talk about what synthetic oil actually is. Conventional oil comes straight from crude oil. It's refined, but the molecules are all different sizes. Think of it like a bag of mixed nuts, some big, some small, all doing the same job but not perfectly uniform. Synthetic oil is engineered in a lab. Every molecule is the same size, like a bag of perfectly identical almonds. This consistency means it flows better in extreme cold, resists breaking down in extreme heat, and lasts longer between changes. Sounds amazing, right? Here's the problem. Your 2017 Toyota Camry never sees those extreme conditions. You're driving to work, the grocery store, maybe a road trip twice a year. Your engine never gets hot enough or cold enough for that molecular perfection to matter. Here's what happens at the dealership or quick lube shop. They see a 2015 or newer car and automatically recommend synthetic. Why? Because it sounds premium, and most people don't question it. But here's what they're not telling you. Check your owner's manual right now. For most daily drivers, Civics, Corollas, Malibus, Escapes, it says 5W30 conventional oil, 5,000 to 7,500 mile intervals, or synthetic recommended for severe conditions. Severe conditions means towing heavy loads, extreme temperatures below minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit or above 110 degrees Fahrenheit, lots of stop-and-go traffic, or dusty environments. If you're just commuting 20 minutes to work in normal weather, you're not in severe conditions. Let's do the math. Conventional oil change, $35 to $45. Synthetic oil change, $75 to $95. If you change your oil twice a year like most people, that's a $60 to $100 difference annually. Over 10 years of ownership, you've spent $600 to $1,000 extra for zero benefit. That's a car payment. That's a vacation. That's money you're handing over because someone said synthetic is better, without explaining better for what. Now, don't get me wrong. Synthetic oil absolutely has its place. You need synthetic if your owner's manual specifically requires it. You're in Alaska or Arizona with extreme temperatures. You tow a trailer regularly. Your engine has over 150,000 miles and burns oil. You do extended oil change intervals 10,000 plus miles. But for a 2019 Accord driving around Florida in normal conditions, conventional oil does the exact same job for half the price. Now here's where it gets tricky. You walk into the shop and the service advisor says, synthetic protects your engine better. And technically, they're not lying. But here's what they're not telling you. It's like premium gas versus regular. Does premium have a higher octane rating? Yes. Does it protect engines that require it? Absolutely. But if your car's manual says regular unleaded, that premium gas isn't protecting anything extra, you're just paying more for the same result. Same with oil. If your manual says 5W30 conventional, synthetic isn't giving you extra protection. It's just costing you $40 more. Here's your comeback. Show me in my owner's manual where it requires synthetic. Not recommends, not suggests, requires. If it says APISN conventional oil. That's what you need. The manufacturer engineered your engine for that specific oil. I've had customers come back after using this line. The service advisor suddenly remembers, oh yeah, conventional is fine for your model. Here's another classic. All newer cars need synthetic now. Technology has changed. Really? So what magical year did all engines suddenly require synthetic? I've got a 2023 Honda Civic manual right here. Page 437. Says 0W20 conventional or synthetic blend. Not synthetic only. Conventional is still listed. Here's the truth. Some newer cars do require full synthetic. Usually turbocharged engines, high-performance models, or European brands. But newer doesn't automatically mean synthetic required. That's dealer upsell 101. Roughly 70% of cars on the road today can still run conventional oil perfectly fine. Your comeback? Which specific component in my engine requires synthetic that wasn't in the previous generation? Watch them fumble. Because unless you've got a turbo, or your manual says synthetic required, there isn't one. Here's what to do right now. Step 1. Open your glove box and find your owner's manual. Turn to the maintenance section. Step 2. Look for the oil specification. It'll say something like 5W30 or 0W20 and either conventional or synthetic. Step 3. If it says or synthetic, that means conventional is perfectly fine. Don't let anyone upsell you. Step 4. Next oil change, tell them exactly what your manual says. If they push back, find a different shop. All right, let's do the math one more time. Conventional oil change, $35 every 5,000 miles. Synthetic oil change, $75 every 7,500 miles. Over 15,000 miles a year? Conventional, 3 changes, $105. Synthetic, 2 changes, $150. You just saved $45 every single year for doing absolutely nothing except reading your owner's manual. So here's your homework before your next oil change. Open your glove box, find that manual, look up the oil specification. If it says conventional, that's what you use. And if this just saved you from getting upsold, hit that subscribe button. Because I've got 47 more ways dealerships are overcharging you, and I'm exposing every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.